Lily the Pineapple by Kezaya Espejo. One day, a young lady named Lily lived in a peaceful area with a mountain view that has cold and rainy weather with her mother, Aling Rosa. Isang araw, ang isang dalaga na nagngangalang Lily ay nakatira sa isang mapayapang lugar na may tanawin ng bundok na may malamig at maulan na panahon kasama ang kanyang ina na si Aling Rosa. She grew up being an only child, a lazy, naughty child as she barely did chores. But she's worked for the products and brands since she was young. Lumaki siyang nag-iisang anak, isang tamad at makulit na bata. Dahil halos hindi siya gumagawa ng mga gawaing bahay, ngunit nagtrabaho siya para sa mga produkto at tatak mula pa noong bata pa siya. Her mother, who was actively involved all day in their house since Aling Rosa didn't want to teach Lily any household chores. Hindi tulad ng kanyang ina na buong araw na aktibo sa kanilang bahay, simula ng ayaw ni Aling Rosa na turuan si Lily ng anumang gawaing bahay. As Aling Rosa was briskly doing the chores every time, Lily had her endorsements. Dahil mabilis si Aling Rosa sa mga gawain, tuwing may endorsements si Lily. Aling Rosa wanted her daughter to have beautiful, smooth, white skin so that Lily could reach her ambition of being a successful supermodel someday, since she wanted to pursue this dream. Gusto ni Aling Rosa na magkaroon ng magandang makinis at maputing balat ang kanyang anak upang maabot ni Lily ang kanyang ambisyon na maging isang matagumpay na supermodel balang araw, dahil gusto niyang ituloy ito. However, Aling Rosa realized that even simple tasks like finding the spoon were difficult for Lily. Gayunpaman, napagtanto ni Aling Rosa na kahit simpleng gawain tulad ng paghahanap ng kutsara ay mahirap para kay Lily. Furthermore, even on Lily's endorsement day, she always asked her mom, "Where are my heels, Mom? Where the makeup brush, Mom?" Dagdag pa rito, kahit sa araw ng endorsement ni Lily, lagi niyang tinatanong ang kanyang nanay, "Nasaan ang aking mga takong, Ma? Nasaan ang makeup brush, Ma?" Aling Rosa and Lily often argued due to Lily's attitude. Madalas magtalo sina Aling Rosa at Lily dahil sa ugali ni Lily. Lily often practiced on stage with different models like her. Madalas mag-practice si Lily sa entablado kasama ang iba't ibang modelo tulad niya. Aling Rosa and Lily often argued due to Lily's attitude. During their argument, Aling Rosa wished that one day Lily would have many eyes and was hopeful that her eyes would glint so that Lily didn't need to ask her for help. Madalas magtalo sina Aling Rosa at Lily dahil sa ugali ni Lily. Dahil sa kanilang pagtatalo, hiniling ni Aling Rosa na balang araw ay magkaroon ng maraming mata si Lily at umaasa siyang kumikinan ang kanyang mga mata upang hindi na kailangan pang magtanong ni Lily. As a result, one afternoon, Lily was lounging on the bench where her favorite spot was to watch the sunset. Bilang resulta, pagkaraan ng ilang taon sa kalagitnaan ng hapunan, si Lily ay namamalagi sa upuan kung saan ang paborito niyang lugar ay panuorin ang paglubog ng araw. The next day was Lily's 13th birthday. Aling Rosa was looking around to find Lily to greet her and celebrate her birthday, but she couldn't find Lily. Kinabukasan ay ika-13 kaarawan ni Lily. Nagpalingalinga si Aling Rosa para hanapin si Lily para batiin at ipagdiwang ang kanyang kaarawan. Ngunit hindi niya makita si Lily. Aling Rosa got to the point that she was seriously fretting about her daughter, since at first she thought that Lily had an endorsement on her birthday. Dumating si Aling Rosa sa puntong naging seryoso siya sa kanyang anak dahil noong una ay akala niya ay endorsement si Lily noong birthday niya. As time passed, Lily was still missing, so Aling Rosa reported to the police station. However, they still could not find any clues. Sa paglipas ng panahon, nawawala pa si Lily, kaya nagsumbong na si Aling Rosa sa himpilan ng pulisya, ngunit wala pa rin silang makitang palatandaan. One day, the investigators found makeup in the backyard that belonged to Lily, which made them more alert to finding Lily. Isang araw ay nakakita ang mga investigador ng pampaganda sa likod ng bahay na pag-aari ni Lily na mas nagpa-alerto sa kanila na hanapin si Lily. Aling Rosa found a strange plant in the backyard of their house that had a lot of eyes. Then Aling Rosa remembered what she said before to Lily. And this is the story of how the pineapple was created in the Philippines. May nakitang kakaibang halaman si Aling Rosa sa likod bahay nila na maraming mata. Tapos naalala ni Aling Rosa ang sinabi niya kay Lily dati. At ganyan ang pagkakalikha ng pinya sa Pilipinas. As time passed, Aling Rosa realized that teaching your kids to be responsible at a young age is important, so they will know what to do in the future, and they can teach this to their own kids. Sa paglipas ng panahon, napagtanto ni Aling Rosa na ang pagtuturo sa iyong mga anak na maging responsable sa murang edad upang malaman nila kung ano ang gagawin sa hinaharap na maaari nilang ituro sa kanilang mga magiging anak. Lily the Pineapple. This story is mainly about a young girl, Lily, that doesn't know how to do any household chores. Her mother, frustrated with her lack of responsibility, wished for her to learn the value of hard work. In response to her mother's wishes, Lily was transformed into a pineapple plant, which could not move and was forced to stay in one place. The pineapple symbolizes both the girl's inability to escape her duties and the numerous eyes on its skin, representing her mother's constant vigilance over her. Ultimately, the story serves as a reminder about the importance of diligence and responsibility, while also highlighting the pineapple as a symbol of hospitality in Filipino culture. A bilingual book in English and Tagalog, printed with the support of a Good Idea grant in June 2025. Waipao High School's Multilingual Marauders!